Okay, in this video, we're looking again at triangles. So you have that St. James heading at the top. You then write chapter 10, section 4. Underneath that, we're still looking at triangles. So it's part 2. Everything underlined in red, nice and neat. Okay, so more examples on just doing various problems. So we're going to find the missing measure. So that means, here's an example. I give you a triangle. There are two angles figured out for you. You have to figure out the third one. In this case, it's angle C. So we're going to find the measurement for angle C. Okay, well, we know all of the angles inside a triangle have to add up to 180 degrees. So we'll write 40 degrees plus 50 degrees plus C equals 180 degrees, because C is what they labeled the angle as. Okay, so now we add these two together. 40 plus 50 is 90 degrees plus C equals 180 degrees. We subtract 90 from both sides, because we want to know what does C have to be, and we get 180 minus 90 is 90 degrees. So the measurement for angle C is 90 degrees. Yes, write all this down. Okay, next one. We have another problem here. I give you two angles. You need to find the third. In this case, we're looking for the measurement of angle Y. Okay, so we just set up our problem here. We have 30 degrees plus 25 degrees plus Y, in this case, equals 180 degrees. Everything equals 180 degrees inside a triangle. So 30 plus 25 is 55. Again, we plus Y, all that should equal 180 degrees. Okay, we'll subtract 55 from both sides. Subtract 55 from both sides. And we get Y to equal what? Well, we need to borrow. Make that a 7, make that a 10. So you get Y to equal 25 degrees. So the measurement for angle Y is 25 degrees. Yes, write everything down, draw the image, the whole thing. Okay? Make your notes nice and neat. Take your time. Okay, here's our next problem. Here we have triangle PQR. Okay, and we're looking for the measurement of angle Q. It's supposed to be a Q there. Okay, and we set up our problem. 95 degrees plus 40 degrees plus Q equals 180 degrees. So you add 95 plus 40, and you get 135 degrees plus Q equals 180 degrees. Okay? And then we subtract 135. Subtract 135. And we get Q to equal what? We have to borrow. Okay, we get Q to equal 45 degrees. So the measurement for angle Q is 45 degrees. Yes, circle everything, make it look nice and neat. If I can't read it, it's most likely going to be marked wrong. Okay, now, in this case, we give you the measurements, but I don't give you the triangle. So it's still the same procedure, though. I'm looking for the measurement of angle, in this case, X. I don't know where on the triangle which angle is X, but it doesn't matter. I could draw one if I wanted to. Okay, so you could say X, and then 37 degrees, and then 55 degrees if you wanted to. But the problem's still the same. You still do 37 degrees plus 55 degrees plus X equals 180. So whether they give you a shape or not, it doesn't matter. All of the angles still have to equal 180. Okay, so you still add up those two measurements that you're given. Okay, so 55 plus 37. Okay, equals 92. 92 degrees plus X equals 180 degrees. Okay? And then we'll subtract 92 on both sides. Subtract 92 on both sides. And x equals what? Again, we have to borrow. Becomes a 0. Becomes 17. That's a 10. Okay, so we get what? $88 degrees. X equals 88 degrees. Check your math. So the measurement of angle X is 88 degrees. And you circle your answers. Make everything nice and neat so I can read it. If I can't read it, it's wrong. Okay? So just be careful with that. Problems for next class. Yeah, this is a short video. So I give you one triangle here. Pay attention. You know this measurement here. You know what this means, what this box means. So you can do these problems. Do them before class. Okay? You're looking for what's the measurement of angle B. Right here. Okay? This one here, you are looking for the measurement of angle D. Right there. Okay? And the last one here, you're looking for the measurement, whoops, the measurement of angle Q. That's written in the spot that's going to get all. Measurement of angle Q, and that's right here. Okay? So, have these done for next class. Make sure they're nice and neat. See you next class.